I ride the city highways, a smooth, skilled operator. They need me and they trust me. I am their liberator. I free them from their limbo, their locked out life on hold. I help them all to get back in, come in from the cold. I am the London locksmith, north and south of the river. Open sesame, abracadabra, I am the freedom giver. Into houses, cars, doors with bars, I move their pores, lives on. Nothing can deny me entry, I am the gifted one. And that is how I met her busy life on stall, keyless at her threshold, where she would make that call. Locked out from her fourth floor flat, with her life on hold, I came to her rescue. I had the key of gold, the key to enter, to be welcomed into your world. As trust and affection slowly unfurled into a sharing, a bond of mutual bliss, from our first sweet and tentative kiss. I am the London locksmith, north and south of the river. Open sesame, abracadabra, I am the freedom giver. Into houses, cars, doors with bars, I move their pores, lives on. Nothing can deny me entry, I am the gifted one. The locksmith with the method, the maestro with the master key. I'm the one who picks the locks, I'm the one who sets them free. But I just don't know what happened to me. Forgive me, I beg you, just hear my plea. I'm still the one who sets them free. But I can't find my mojo, I can't find my pin. You won't let me enter, won't let me back in to the world that was ours, until I lost the key to everything we had, the key to you and me. My username's not right, my passwords are all wrong. You withhold me, you told me to make it strong. Now I can't remember, my mind's just in a spin. I can't find my mojo, can't find my pin. It's the one door I can't open, the safe that I can't crack, the combination I can't find. Oh, please just let me back. Let me create a new password, multiple characters long. I love you for the rest of my life. You're my number one. I love you for the rest of my life. You're my number one. I love you for the rest of my life. You're my number one. I love you for the rest of my life. You're my number one.